Hello students, today I will teach you how to multiply and divide given fractions. Let's start with multiplication. Multiplying fraction is the easy one because in it you can just multiply the top numbers together and multiply the bottom numbers together, or you can say that multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You can see in this example, after multiplying numerators, we get 6, and after multiplying denominators, we get 12. So, answer is 6 by 12. But don't forget to cancel down. In this case, we can divide both numbers by 6 and we will get answer 1 by 2. And if you want to multiply mixed fractions, in that case, first of all, you change the mixed fraction into improper fractions. Then multiply, and then don't forget to change the answer into mixed fraction again. Let's understand with the help of one example. Here we have two fractions. First is 1 complete 3 by 4. Second is 2 complete 1 by 2. First of all, we have to change mixed fractions into improper fractions. You can see here, after changing into improper fractions, we get 7 by 4 multiply 5 by 2. Here, cancellation is not possible, so after multiplying numerators together, we will get 35 and denominators together will get 8. And again, at the end we have to change the answer into mixed fraction. That's why we get 4 complete 3 by 8. Let's discuss next case, that is multiply a whole number by a fraction. In this case, we only multiply numerator by whole number and denominator stays same. You can see here 2 multiply 2 by 5 gives answer 4 by 5. But most common error students used to do while multiplying a whole number with fraction. That is, they multiply both numerators and denominator by the number. Look here, 3 by 4 multiply 5 equal to 15 by 20. That is wrong practice. Instead of this, it is better that you write whole number as a fraction by putting 1 as denominator and then solve. Here you can see 3 by 4 multiply 5 by 1 equal to 15 by 4. That is 3 complete 3 by 4. It is a correct method. Let's discuss word problem. Here it is given a cake is divided into 10 slices. Kim ate 3 by 5 of 1 by 2 of the cake. What part of whole cake did Kim eat? My dear students, always keep in mind, meaning of in mathematics is multiplication. So, first of all, we have to change of into multiplication. So, 3 by 5 of 1 by 2 converted into 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 2. Then we multiply numerators together and denominators together. So we will get answer 3 by 10. Kim ate 3 by 10 of the whole cake. In this way we can solve any word problem. There are some important points you must know. That is, of means multiply. Product of two proper fractions is always less than both of them. Product of two improper fractions is always greater than both of them. Product of one proper and one improper fraction is always less than improper fraction but greater than proper fraction. Let's discuss about division. To divide fraction, we change the second fraction with its reciprocal. Then multiply the reciprocal with the first fraction, or we can say that simply we are to follow three steps. First is keep first number as it is. Second, change divide into multiply. Third, get reciprocal of second number and then solve the question. If we have mixed fraction in statement, then we add one more step, that is convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Look here. Here we have 5 complete 3 by 5 divide 2 complete 1 by 3. After changing mixed fraction into improper fraction, we'll get 28 by 5 divide 7 by 3. Then we'll change sign of division into multiplication and flip second number. In this way, we will get here 28 divided by 5 multiply 3 by 7. After cancellation, we will get answer 12 by 5, that is 2 complete 2 by 5. In this way, you can divide any type of given fractions. Thank you.